Hello everyone! Today we are doing a tutorial with one of our beautiful Turkish cotton squares, which is available in 4 colors, and the Boo Boo TV low volume shaper. What we're going to do is we're going to start by folding one of the corners in, but we're not going to make it exactly in half. If you can see, it's literally just enough to cover from the front to the back. That's all you need. That's how much the inside should be folded. And then I'm going to also fold it a little bit just underneath itself like this. So when I put it on, it's a little bit more taut. Putting it on just like this. Then bring the 2 sides to the front, grab hold of them, take them to the back, and make a knot. Then pull all the way through, and then you're going to be left with these 2 on the sides, and then the center one in the back. Pull the center one so you'll get as much length from it as possible, and then you'll bring them both to one side. I do everything on my left, so I'm bringing everything on my left. And then you're going to separate them so you can see what you're working with. So you can see you have 3 separate ones, which will help you to do your braid. I'm going to start by braiding like so. Keep braiding. And then when I get to the very end, when I can't braid anymore, I basically take, I know some people like to use scrunchies and whatnot. I just take the 2 longer ones and I make a knot over that short piece. And then you have your braid, which is so cute, even just like left down, it looks like your own hair, just like a braid. Or you can take it up and over in the on the top, and you can tuck it into here. You can take it around your bun and then tuck it under, but I think I like it left down like this. Hope you enjoyed.